Hi, my name is Emily. Today I have a case report for minerals I was able to find around my house and research. Here's a table of everything I looked at. Okay, so calcium carbonate, a compound of calcium, carbon, and oxygen, formula right here. It often occurs as a colorless or white dust. It is not soluble in water. This mineral works as an antacid and prevents or treats calcium deficiencies that will occur in diseases like osteoporosis. Next is most likely nickel in the form of a necklace. As you can see here, its color is a silvery white color. It has a metallic luster and it is extremely ductile. This one isn't really that important, but it looks pretty, so. Next I'm going to do iron, since I just talked about nickel. Iron is not too rare. It makes up 5% of the crust. Iron naturally appears as a gray or black color and is metallic. We often mix it with nickel to create an alloy. They both have a Mohs hardness of 4. This is stainless steel, so it's possible it's mixed with chromium, molybdenum, titanium, or copper to change its properties. This is a measuring cup and it's questionably necessary for cooking. Okay, next is quartz. Its formula is right here. It's highly resistant to erosion and chemical reactions. It naturally occurs with many different colors, but it leaves a colorless streak. However, considering it's 7 on the Mohs hardness scale, it rarely leaves streaks. In terms of importance, this one is also more for appearance and functions, but I'm just realizing it actually doesn't heat very easily, so there's a property. And lastly, I have a terracotta pot made of silica, alumina, and magnesia. I got a little bit carried away with these formulas here, but I'm talking about silica right here. Notice it's the same composition as quartz right here. And its silica is a major component of the Earth's crust at 26%. It combines with oxygen to make silicates, which is found in both of these items. It can also make alloys with other metals. It is diamagnetic. And its importance is I like using terracotta pots as an alternative to plastics, and they are generally cheaper than other glass and ceramic pots. So there you guys go. There's my presentation. Thanks for listening.